In this video, we're going to look at how we can use integration with multiple substitutions, how we can substitute multiple times in a row and still get kind of our results out of it. So, full disclosure, technically this problem can be done in a single substitution, but I'm going to do it in two just to show the idea of it. Not all problems that we do that you can do in two can be done in one. Can be done in one, but this one is a good example. It just works out fairly cleanly to do it in two steps, even though, like I said, it can be done in one. So the first thing that I'm going to notice is that we've got this 3x squared plus 5 showing up in a couple places. So I'm going to call that my u. So u is equal to 3x squared plus 5. So that means the derivative is going to equal 6x. So that means dx is going to equal to du divided by 6x. And that means I can do a substitution here and I get 18x times sine of u squared cosine of u times du over 6x, and you'll notice conveniently the 18x and the 6x cancel, give me 3. So that means this was a u substitution that was useful. I got rid of all my x's, and that's what you're looking for whenever you do a substitution, is do you get rid of all of the variable you had before. But now I still have something that I don't necessarily know how to solve for. So we're going to do a second substitution. In this case, I'm going to use w. I'm going to say w equals sine of u. Because I'm going to look at, I've got this bit right here that's kind of inside that squared. So that means let me jump over here because my tablet's being a little fussy. dw divided by du, the derivative with respect to u, is cosine of u. And that means du is equal to dw over cosine of u. And that gives us the expression of 3w squared cosine u dw divided by cosine of u. Cosine of u cancels, and we're left with the integral 3w squared dw, which is equal to, w cubed plus c. Now we just have to go back and substitute things in. So what is w equal to? It's equal to sine of u. So sine of u cubed plus c. And what's u? Well, u is 3x squared plus 5. And so this is our final expression cubed. Sine of 3x squared plus 5, quantity cubed, plus c is our final integral. Again, like I said, there is a way to do this with one substitution if you pick that substitution properly. But for sake of kind of showing the example here, I wanted to do it in two. If you have questions, let me know.